In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a box plot in Excel. To get started, open Excel and enter your data into the worksheet. Your values should be arranged in one or more columns, and each column should have a clear header at the top. For example, you might have a column labeled Sales with your numbers listed underneath it. If you want to compare multiple groups, place each group in its own separate column. Keeping your data organized this way helps Excel correctly interpret what you want to chart. Once your data is in place, select the range you want to analyze, including the header row. So if your data is in a single column, you would highlight that full section from the header through the last value. Including the header is helpful because it can automatically become part of the chart labeling. After selecting the data, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click Insert Statistic Chart, then choose Box and Whisker. As soon as you do that, Excel will generate the box plot automatically based on the data you selected. This is a quick way to visualize the spread of your data, including the median, quartiles, and possible outliers. Next, you can customize the chart so it's easier to read and more appropriate for your worksheet or presentation. Click directly on the chart title to replace it with something more descriptive. You can also use the Chart Elements button, which appears as a plus sign next to the chart, to add or remove items like the chart title, axis titles, legend, and grid lines. These options are useful if you want the chart to be more polished or easier for others to understand. If you want to change the appearance of the box plot itself, right-click one of the boxes in the chart and choose Format Data Series. From there, you can control several important display options. For example, you can show or hide outlier points, display the mean marker or mean line, and choose how Excel calculates quartiles, either inclusive or exclusive. You can also adjust visual formatting such as the fill color and border style to better match your report or preferences. Finally, you can reposition or resize the chart as needed. Simply drag the chart to move it around the worksheet or drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. If you'd rather place the chart on its own sheet, click the chart, go to the Chart Design tab and select Move Chart, then choose whether you want it on a new sheet or embedded in the current worksheet, and that's how to create a box plot in Excel.